Hello students, welcome to this ethics class. Now we will discuss 2021 2b. Besides domain knowledge, a public official needs innovativeness and creativity of a high order as well while resolving ethical dilemmas. Discuss with suitable example. Again, you should have attempted this question on your own at least once before watching this video. Again, ethics is a very subjective paper. This is just one of the many ways of writing an answer. The reason we discuss answers, the reason we use this method is to clear the concepts and to provide a guidance and to try to understand what UPSC wants to ask. So ethics is not just about doing one thing or the other. It involves lot of innovativeness and creativity. And so we need to discuss with a suitable example. We need to take an example and discuss. So we choose a typical example that UPSC uses. For example, you might find in a case study that, for example, an old poor woman comes to you, civil servant, to include her in a scheme for which she does not have necessary documents, but she clearly needs help. This creates ethical dilemma. For example, either you have to violate rule of law or you have to be very unempathetic. But these are not the only two options. You need not violate rule of law. At the same time, you can help her comprehensively and effectively with the help of rule of law. So if we use innovativeness and creativity, you can uphold rule of law and you can also carry out very empathetic governance. How? So however, the options are not just limited to either violating rule of law or ignoring her without empathy due to lack of documents. In fact, innovation is in realizing that she would get all the help she needs with the help of rule of law. So let us see how. This includes, you can arrange for her documents by talking to colleagues. You can search for other schemes as well. Not only that you will arrange for documents for the scheme, but you will try to help her comprehensively. You will try to help her in every way possible because she clearly needs help. So one thing is, you will arrange the documents and get her into that scheme, but you will not limit there. You will go further. Because you have rule of law, because you have support of law, you can go further. You can search for other schemes as well that are applicable to her to improve her situation, like direct benefit transfer, health insurance, etc. And we can also change rules by talking to seniors if the rules are excluding genuine beneficiaries with unnecessary complexities. So if the rules are unfair, then you can get the rules changed as well. Then you can arrange for her care in old age homes, civil society, and we can also link her with mobile hospital units for elders so that if there is any health emergency, she can take care of herself with the help of mobile hospital units. Then we can also search for next of kin to take care of her, etc. So if we use innovation and creativity, we can boost ethics. We can actually try to be as ethical as possible. Thus, with creativity, ethical dilemmas can be solved. So if we see, it comes to 162 words. If we forget 1 or 2 points, it comes to within the word limit. And so while using innovation and creativity, we resolve ethical dilemmas and we can try to be as ethical as possible. So it is not just about violating rule of law or being very unempathetic. In fact, with the help of rule of law, we are trying to help her in every way possible and we are trying to carry out very empathetic governance. So that is what we need to understand, that ethics actually promotes innovativeness and creativity, and that helps us in resolving ethical dilemmas. So that is all. Thank you.